What's up, guys? I'm here at Tropicana. Got a nice big open parking lot. We're going to hear the Delkevic slip-on. It was a quick, easy install. You cut the pipe here, little Sawzall action, you slip the thing on, and you're done. This is the high mount. They do have one that comes down here, but I liked the high mount a little bit better. It keeps it up with the tail. It's got the nice little welded turn down there. So I am really happy with the fit and finish of it. It was cheap. Paid like $180 for this whole thing, so a lot cheaper than most of the other options on the market. I did remove the baffle, so it's gonna be a little bit louder than yours will be straight out of the box, but I would always recommend removing the baffle because that's why we ride. We wanna make noise. So let's hear this thing.